Find p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. The first polynomial is p of y is equal to y square minus 1y plus 1. So first thing first, let's write the expression. Minus y plus 1. Is it in standard form? Yes. Just for the sake of understanding. Okay, both are one and the same. Just that you guys know that there is a 1. I just want to represent it this way. Now we are looking at p of 0. That is, we have p of y is equal to 0. So in place of y, we are substituting 0. So 1 into 0 square minus 1 into 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. 0 minus 0 plus 1 is 1. Next is p of y is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 square minus 1 into 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 plus 1 is 1 itself. So 1 minus 1 plus 1 is 1. P of y is equal to 2. This is 1 into 2 square minus 1 into 2 plus 1. So this is 4 minus 2 plus 1, which is 3. So these are your answers. Okay, so let's verify. We have the variable is y square y actually, and the expression is y square minus y plus 1. So here I'll use x itself. Instead of y, I'm using x. So x square minus 1x minus 1x, if not just x, plus 1. Again, it's just a matter of writing it in the way you guys want to. If you want to put a 1 over here, 1 into, you can do so. Again, 1 into x, you can do so. Just a matter of expressing the way you guys want. Both are equivalent, right? So not an issue. I can express it this way also. Again, we are just changing the variable name. Instead of x, instead of y, I'm calling it as x. So let's execute this. So we are going to enter 0 and the answer is 1, correct. When we have an input of 1, answer is 1 again, that's correct. When you have an input of 2, answer is 3, that's correct. 1, 1, 3. Okay, so all these are verified. Next is the graph. For this again, I need to represent it minus 1y plus 1. All these are equivalent, so I can express it this way as well. Let's execute it. Okay, sorry. First thing is we need to end this. Now I can execute this. And this is your graph. This is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. So in this case, p of y. Okay, again, these are variables. You have to get used to this. Okay, let me zoom in a bit. Okay, actually this is good enough, but anyways. So let's verify. For input of y is equal to 0, trace where the graph is. Graph is over here, the output is 1. So for input of 0, the output is 1. Right, that's correct. For input of 1, the output is 1 again. That's also correct. For input of 2, the output is 3. Right, that's also correct. So this is how you can verify with graphically. So you need to understand this is your y and this is p of y. Horizontal is y and this is p of y. This contradicts whatever you learn. This is x-axis and y-axis. Again, these are names. Names can be changed. The meaning and the functioning will not change. Okay. this thing represents p of y and this thing represents y as of now. Yes, if you are confused, call this as x-axis and this as p of x. Okay, change this entire thing, right? Look at it in this manner. P of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. That's it. Whenever you get confused, change the entire expression to a form wherein you can understand. Mathematically, nothing wrong has happened, right? So this is how you have to learn to think.